WBUY Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Which is 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this space that's done this over 42,000 videos over 5 years. Documented it all. So I've seen what's printing, been documenting my journey. Because I've spent my own tens of thousands of dollars for my own money. And you get all of this for absolutely risk-free. First link in description. 1,200 people have already gotten the course. Especially with the WBUY, I was like, if I see a double break, willing to take it down. That idea has not died out yet. Like, I'm still sitting here waiting for a double break. That kind of broke once and then sort of came in the supply zone that we now currently have. Again, does not change the fact that if there's a double break, I'm still willing to take it further down. And all I will do in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting, if that makes sense. Right? WBUY, I have one result in here. Other than that, man, like if you want to stick to the sauce and get all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. Get those 5-10K month skill set. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people have tried it. First link below.